We'll guide you through how to make class presentation in Notion. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by opening your browser so you can access the site you need. Once the browser is open, search for Notion in the search bar and wait for the results to load. After that, click the first web that appears, since it is usually the official site. When the page loads, log in or sign in if you do not have any account yet, so you can enter your workspace. Once you are inside, go to the private section and click the plus button to add a new page. Give your page a title so you know what the presentation is for. Now inside the page, type /H1 and choose toggle heading 1 from the menu that shows up. Name the heading based on what you want to present as your main title. After that, add a second heading for the content of your presentation and type /H again. You will see 3 types of headings you can choose based on your need. For this example, choose toggle heading 3 since it works well for smaller content sections. Add your content inside this heading, such as main content, charts, image, progress, and question. In the main content section, you can fill it with your project descriptions so the audience knows the purpose of the presentation. In the charts section, you can add charts by typing /chart. Then select which type you want for your charts, and for this guide I choose donut charts since it is simple and easy to read. Fill the chart database with the data needed so the chart represents your topic correctly. Inside the image section, type /image to add an image. You can import your own image, but for this guide I will use a sample image to show how the tool works. Inside the progress section, add a table database and put your progress bar inside so you can track how far the project has gone. In the question section, you can add more toggle heading options to contain all questions that are asked during the presentation or questions you want to prepare ahead of time. This helps keep things organized and easy to open when needed. By following these steps, you can build a clean and organized class presentation page in Notion that is easy to edit and simple to present.